I need to know how to fix a refrigerator blowing hot air.
Many refrigerators vent the hot air the system creates, removing heat from the refrigerator. In that case, this isn't something to fix.
I'm not blowing hot air here. The fridge itself is blowing hot air.
If the refrigerant has leaked out, it will circulate room temperature air through the fridge. Then it is useless until repaired and refilled.
You're right. Without a refrigerant, a refrigerator is an over-aerated pantry.
If the refrigerator has had a slow refrigerant leak, you'd notice it pinging and banging as it tries to move refrigerant through the pipes even as some escapes.
I might have noticed a leak by the bubbling on the coils, if I ever actually looked at them.
Dirty coils have that advantage, though heavy dirt on it interferes with the efficiency of the refrigeration system.
Even really dirty coils would only make the refrigerator a little less cold, not hot.
Some refrigerators chill the freezer and blow the cold air down into the fridge.
If those vents are blocked, the freezer would still be cold but the fridge would be less cool. And it would be obvious by the lack of airflow.
Okay, so it isn't a lack of airflow because the fan in the freezer died or you put all that ice cream you bought on sale on top of the vent.
So what could cause hot air to blow through those vents?
A really malfunctioning defrost heater might. Then the hot surface generates heat while the fan blows it into the fridge.
Defrost heaters are supposed to run periodically.
If the timer is never turning off, the heater stays on and heats up the freezer and eventually my fridge.
If my frozen food is getting cooked, it is going to go bad in the process.
The fire hazard is of bigger concern to me.
Would changing the timer interval fix it?
Only if it was somehow set in an on position and not an electrical short in the timer where the thing thinks it should always be on.
I wonder if it could be a short or similar electrical problem in the defrost heater itself.
If the timer is stuck on, you can fix this by replacing the timer if not turning it off. If there's an electrical problem with the defrost heater, the first step is unplugging the fridge.
That guarantees all the food goes bad.
If there is an electrical short in the freezer heater, you're at risk of a fridge on fire. Then all the food in the kitchen gets ruined, as does your weekend.
Can the compressor or condenser itself be the source of the hot air?
That would require the compressor or condenser not only running without refrigerant but running hot, overheating. In that case, you need to unplug it too.
Then call for service and go pick up ice.